Have you ever wondered what actually happens when the company receives the money from customers before actually delivering the product? Hello everyone, I am Ishika. This is exactly where the concept of deferred revenue steps in. Deferred revenue refers to the money which is received from the customers by the company in advance, that is, before actually delivering the products. Since the company has the obligation to fulfill its duties in the upcoming future, it will not recognize as an immediate revenue in the income statement. Instead, this amount is recognized as a liability on the balance sheet. Let us consider or understand this with the help of an example. A software-based company have received 12,000 rupees as subscription in advance. Now the company here does not consider it as a revenue immediately. Instead, they will recognize 1,000 rupees as revenue per month as and when the services are being rendered by their side. It is a very important concept in financial statement analysis and working capital analysis, as it considers the money which is received from the customers. In simpler words, we can say that the business temporarily here uses the customer's money to run their operations. And this deferred revenue gets gradually converted into revenue as and when the services are delivered by the services or products are being delivered by the company. So in conclusion, we can say that the deferred revenue is money received today and recognition of revenue tomorrow. Thank you.